Do you want in on the #1 video builder customers are using right now to earn $100 to $500 or more for every video they create with VideoBuilder? Let me explain. What I'm about to show you today is one of the most requested features by all VideoBuilder customers and beta testers. Many customers are using this feature-packed agency upgrade to earn 5 to 6 figures each month and build a sustainable video agency business. You are about to get access to the VideoBuilder agency license. With the agency license, now you can become a professional video creation expert and build pro-quality videos in high definition within minutes. Although the VideoBuilder Basic license offers customers the ability to build 720p HD videos, we understand that agency clients need videos that are professional-grade studio quality. With this agency license, you can now showcase your videos to businesses and local clients in 1080p ultra-high-definition video production without any expensive studio equipment or technical skills. Ultra-high-definition video brings your videos to life and wows your audience to captivate interest and get more results for you and your clients. The best part is, you can use our award-winning text-to-speech engine to generate lifelike voices, record your own voice, or upload professional voiceovers in seconds to use it with any of our lifelike 3D avatars included inside VideoBuilder. You get complete flexibility to create and sell the stunning videos in minutes for hundreds of dollars to business owners and enterprise clients. All videos you create with the agency license are rendered in full HD without any of our branding. This means your clients will never know that the video was created with VideoBuilder. The agency license enables you to earn more and sell more using our complete white label VideoBuilder platform. Selling just one video can pay for your membership 10 times over. And remember, you can create unlimited videos with the VideoBuilder app, so you can sell as many videos as you like for years to come with no restrictions on the number of videos you can create. I am sure you see the value included in this agency upgrade. To tell you more about the other amazing features included, let me pass it on to my friend Keisha.
At VideoBuilder, we understand that to meet clients' in-demand video needs, agency license holders require the ability to create longer format videos such as sales videos, presentation videos, interactive short films, and more. You see, most explainer videos are generally 30 seconds or less in length. With VideoBuilder Basic License, you can create videos 5 times the length of a regular explainer video. With the agency license, we wanted to empower our customers to do more, earn more, and create videos that are catered towards enterprise clients. So here's the deal. Just for today, as a part of this exclusive upgrade, we are doubling the length of videos you can create compared to the basic VideoBuilder users. This means you get 10 times the length of a regular explainer video to create videos that can be sold for thousands online. Since video creation services are priced based on the length of the video created, you can instantly multiply your profits and earn more by creating long-form videos with VideoBuilder Agency License. There is no other video app in the market that can create 3D motion animation videos with lifelike human avatars completely compatible with our artificial intelligence lip sync technology. With the agency license, you can now create your own successful video agency business. We are removing the hard work out of the equation and giving you a proven 6-figure business on a silver platter. If you were to hire a professional to create videos, for just basic motion animation explainer videos, it would cost you $500 or more for just a 30-second video. And this does not include the lifelike 3D avatars, professional-grade motion animation elements like intros, outros, and lower thirds, so there are countless opportunities for you to profit. With VideoBuilder, now you have the power to churn out videos for your clients in minutes and earn those big bucks just like the professionals do with no technical experience. On top of all this, as a very special limited time bonus, we are giving you unlimited video storage at no additional cost so you can work on unlimited video projects at the same time for all your clients to multiply your profits with no limits. Other video storage services with no video creation involved charge anywhere from $37 to $97 a month. Today, you are getting everything for a rock-bottom one-time payment as a part of this launch early bird special. Here's Todd to tell you more about this powerful VideoBuilder.